The CoinCloud Wallet app is the perfect companion to our digital currency machines. It is available for download for free on both Android and iOS. After downloading the app and swiping through the start screens, you will be prompted to set up a PIN. This is an optional feature that will help add additional security to your CoinCloud wallet. Next, you will select the digital currency wallets that you wish to add to your app. After selecting, you will have the option to add an encrypted password. This password adds another layer of security and will help you keep your funds safe. Now it's time to set up your 12-step recovery phrase. This is a series of 12 words that you will want to write down and keep stored in a safe and secure place. Make sure that you do not share this 12-step recovery phrase with anyone that you do not want having access to your funds. It is recommended that you write it down on a piece of paper and keep that paper in a safe or somewhere where you can easily find it that is secure. After writing down your phrase, you will need to select the words in order that they appeared on the screen. If you ever change to a new device in the future, you will need your recovery phrase as well as your encrypted password to restore your wallet on a new cell phone. It is very important to understand that when using the CoinCloud Wallet app, you are in full control of your funds. This means that CoinCloud cannot access your funds and that you are fully responsible for saving your passwords in a safe and secure place so that you can access your wallet at a later time. Once your recovery phrase is set up, you now have full access to use the app. You can see the current values of some of the most popular digital currencies on the market, and you have the option of purchasing Bitcoin right from the home screen. Not only that, the CoinCloud Wallet app gives you the ability to find the nearest digital currency machine to your current location. You can also find the locations nearest to you or search by state or zip code. When you find the location that you would like to visit, you can sell your digital currency for cash by selecting Quick Cash. If you're looking to buy, you can see a map of exactly where the machine is located, and you can get directions from your current location. If you would like to send or receive digital currency, go ahead and click on the Wallet tab located at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and click on the digital currency that you would like to use, and then select Send or Receive in order to complete your transaction. The CoinCloud Wallet app provides the most seamless experience when using one of our CoinCloud digital currency machines. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our live customer support available 7 days a week.